Hi, welcome back to DSJ channel.
Today, we are going to learn about magnet and magnetism. We all would have played with magnet without knowing the science behind this. While playing with magnet, we would have enjoyed like we are having some magical wand in our hand. We may even wonder how this magnet sticks and pulls other objects, and also how the magnet needle like a compass points the right direction. Now it's time to understand the science behind this. In this video, we will discuss what is magnet and magnetism and how magnet work. Before that, please subscribe to our channel to know more about my latest videos. Did you know that we come in contact with magnets many times in our daily life? Yes, magnets play an important role in a wide range of devices, starting with refrigerator, credit card, toys, screwdriver, earphone, speaker, fan, television, etc. We often do not realize the presence of a magnet in many devices because it is mostly inbuilt inside the object and does its job quietly. Do you know how long this magnet have been around us? And who was the first person to discover this wonderful object? To know this history, we have to travel back 2000 years. Roughly 2000 years ago, a Greek shepherd named Magnus lived in a small town called Magnesia. He used to take his sheep to a nearby hill for grazing. He even carries with him a long stick with an iron point. One day, he was standing and watching at his sheep. He kept a stick on a rock. Surprisingly, his iron pointed stick got stuck tightly to the rock. It was very difficult for him to separate. What happened here? Actually, the rock is called lodestone, which is a natural magnet. The iron tip of the stick got attracted towards the natural magnet lodestone. This situation led to the discovery of magnet by Magnus. Lodestone was named as magnet, probably it was named after Magnus or the town Magnesia where he lived. From this history of magnetic invention, we understood magnet is a piece of rock or a metal which attract either other magnet or a specific metal like iron, cobalt, nickel and steel. Now let's see how magnet works. Magnet form an invisible field around them. This field is called magnetic field. This magnetic field attracts other specific metal or a magnet towards it without any physical contact. Sounds like a magic, isn't it? Did you know our Earth is a giant magnet? We already discussed this topic in our old video, Layers of the Earth. If you do not see, use the I button link in the top right corner of the screen. Based on the previous discussion in the layers of the Earth, we know the outer core and the inner core of the Earth is made up of iron and nickel. The outer core is in liquid form and hence it spins along with the Earth, and the inner core is a hot metal ball which spins against the outer core. This action creates the magnetic field of the Earth and makes the Earth into one giant magnet. This magnetic field creates a magnetic poles, that is, North Pole and the South Pole. A compass uses a geomagnetic field to find the directions. Just like the Earth, magnet end is also called as North Pole and South Pole due to its characteristic. Characteristic of magnet was also called as property of magnet. You can learn those properties with a small fun-filled experiment. It will be really exciting. If you hand a piece of magnet and make free to rotate in the air, the north pole of the magnet will always rest in north direction, and the south pole of the magnet points towards the south direction. This happens due to the magnetic field of the Earth. Let's try one more experiment. If you try to bring opposite poles of two magnets together, that is north pole and south pole, you can notice there will be a force of attraction between two magnets. This we call it as attractive property. In same way, if you try to bring same poles that is, both are north poles or both are south poles, then you can notice there will be a force which push away and repel each other. This we call it as repulsive property. Do you know magnetic poles always exist in pairs? Yes, it is not possible to separate two poles of the magnet. You can check it out by doing a small experiment. If you break a magnet into two pieces, each piece will have its own new north pole and south pole. No matter how many small pieces of magnet you break into, it will always have north pole and south pole. Hope you enjoyed today's video. So please subscribe our channel and drop a like and share our video with your friends. Also, please post your comments. Tune in next time for more learnings. Bye bye.